Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're talking about building local business partnerships. Building strong partnerships with local businesses is vital for the growth and success of your auto repair shop. Collaborating with complementary businesses creates opportunities for mutual growth, expands your customer reach, and enhances your reputation. In today's video, we will explore the importance of building partnerships and how auto repair shop owners can foster fruitful collaborations with local businesses. Complementary service referrals. Partnering with local businesses that offer complementary services, such as towing companies, car rental agencies, or auto parts suppliers, can result in a mutually beneficial referral system. When you refer customers to these businesses and vice versa, you enhance the overall customer experience and build trust. This collaboration expands your customer reach and generates potential leads from trusted sources. Cross-promotion and co-marketing. Collaborating with local businesses allows for cross-promotion and co-marketing opportunities. Engage in joint advertising campaigns, co-sponsor local events, or participate in community initiatives together. By pooling resources and leveraging each other's customer bases, you can increase brand visibility, attract new customers, and strengthen your shop's reputation within the community. Enhanced customer experience. Partnering with local businesses can enhance the overall customer experience. For example, collaborating with nearby cafes or restaurants allows you to offer customers waiting for their vehicles a discount or a special perk at these establishments. This partnership not only improves customer satisfaction, but also fosters a positive association with your shop and encourages repeat business. Shared industry insights. Building partnerships with local businesses in the automotive industry, such as auto dealerships or car washes, can provide valuable industry knowledge and insights. Engage in knowledge-sharing sessions, attend industry events together, and stay informed about emerging trends and technologies. This collaboration can help you stay ahead of the curve, improve your services, and adapt to changing customer demands. Resource sharing and cost optimization. Partnering with local businesses can result in resource sharing and cost optimization. For instance, you can collaborate with a nearby auto body shop to share equipment or tools that are not frequently used. This sharing arrangement can reduce costs for both parties and improve operational efficiency. By leveraging shared resources, you can invest in high-quality equipment without incurring excessive expenses. Community engagement and reputation. Building partnerships with local businesses demonstrates your commitment to the community and enhances your shop's reputation. Engaging in community events, supporting local charities, and collaborating on initiatives that benefit the neighborhood can foster positive perceptions of your shop. This reputation as a community-minded business can attract customers who prioritize supporting local enterprises. Collaboration for business development. Collaborating with local businesses can lead to further business development opportunities. For instance, partnering with an auto insurance agency can lead to referrals for repair services or preferred vendor arrangements. These collaborations can open doors to new business avenues and long-term contracts, fueling sustained growth for your auto repair shop. Embracing the power of partnerships with local businesses is a smart strategy for auto repair shop owners. By collaborating with complementary businesses, you can expand your customer base, enhance the customer experience, and optimize costs. Moreover, building strong partnerships strengthens your reputation and opens doors for new business opportunities. Harness the potential of local business collaborations and fuel the growth and success of your auto repair shop. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.